this video, I'll show you how to create brand performance survey. First, you need to click extension, Cliffy form and download form template like this. And here you can search brand performance survey like this. And after you found it, just click it and click load selected template. After that, you will get the dashboard, responses, question, and setting tab to edit it later. And then you just need to refresh the page like this and click Cliffy form and get link. And then click continue and then choose your account like this. And then click advance and go to Cliffy form. And click allow like this. And then just wait for the link and you will get a link like this. Just copy it all and paste it on your search engine. And now the form is ready to use. But you can also edit or custom your form to insert new row like this. And then I use text for example and just copy the question and change it into name and it will show like this in the form. Also, I want to give another example to use email type so the audience can put their email easily there. Like this, it will change instantly. Also, you can use phone number so the audience can input their phone number easily like this and it will change instantly. Also, you can choose another question type, like for example I use text area. This is usually used for address because larger than usual text like this. Also, you can use another question type, for example here date, and it will show a calendar there like this for example, so they can pick the date from the calendar easily. And then you can use also radio button so the audience can pick one option, only one option, like for example I use gender and fill the option with male or female. Also, you can use another like file so the audience can upload their file from their device like this just by clicking the choose file tab like this, and it will show a processing word and it will show like this uploading. Also, you can use e-signature to input the signature easily like this. It will show like this so the audience can put their signature. Also, they can clear if it needs to replace. And then you can also use the location from the Google Maps like this. So you just need to copy the link like this. Just copy HTML and then it will show like this in the form. Or you can delete the row if you don't use it anymore, so it will disappear. And now go to settings tab to change the background color of your form. Like for example here I pick purple, but you can pick your own color, your own favorite color. Also, you can change the button text color. Like for example here I pick purple, but you can pick your own color in the submit button like this. It will change instantly. It's very easy to use. Also, I want to give another example to change the logo. Just put the link on the logo ID, press the page of your form and it will update it instantly. Also, you can change the text color here. Just pick the color. It's very easy, but if you have any confusion or a question, just comment down below. Also, in the loading message you can add the word, like for example here I add word minutes like this and it will show like this in the form, or you can even use your own sentence. And now go to the title. You can use htmlonline.com so it will get easier. Like for example here I input my title. And you can also add the style, like I use center align and then bold, italic and underline, and I use format heading 1. And then you can also change the color of the title. After you fix with it all, just copy the code like this and put it in the title HTML like this and go back to your form and it will show like this in the form. It's very easy to use. And now for the third one, go to responses tab like this to check the result of the audience answer. And now for example to see the responses, go to keepgoogle.com and then copy it in the first line like this. And you can also filter like this, and then you can use the question form to see the responses, and it will show thank you response like that, and you can see the response in the Google spreadsheet. And you can also add the title too, like this, like for example, or maybe you want to add an image, like I use PNG here, and then just put it in the html.com like this. Just compare the size like this as you want, and then after you're done with it, just block it all and then copy it all and paste it in your search engine like this, and put it in the HTML after the image like this, and it will show like this, a thank you image. It's very easy to use, but if you have any confusion, just comment down below, and the link to add-on is in the description below. You can try it now. Thank you.